We start by setting up the environment. We include Tailwind CSS for styling and the Chart.js library via CDN so we can easily create beautiful data visualizations. Here is the main layout structure. We use Flex H screen on the container to make the sidebar and main content sit side by side and take up the full height of the browser window. The main content area uses Flex as 1, meaning it will expand to fill all the remaining width next to the sidebar. The header uses Justify Between to push the title to the left and the logout button to the right. We use CSS Grid for the stats cards. The class MD Grid calls 3 tells the browser to stack them in 1 column on mobile, but switch to a 3-column row on medium-sized screens and up. This is the container for our graph. The canvas element is the drawing board where Chart.js will render the actual line graph pixels. Now we initialize the chart. We select the canvas context and create a new chart object. We define the type as line and pass in our labels, months, and data points. Here we style the line itself. Tension 0.3 gives the line that smooth, curved look, Bezier curve, instead of jagged straight lines. Fill, true adds the semi-transparent blue color underneath the line. Finally, we configure the options. We ensure the chart is responsive to window resizing and force the y-axis to start at 0 so the data scale isn't misleading.